Hi guys, good evening. I hope you all are doing well in your life. So, today I'm sharing a story with you which I have heard a long back, and it may be true, it may be false. I don't know whether it is true or not, but it is, I believe in this story. So, the story is that once upon a time there is a god and goddess discussing with each other that if a person is working honestly, working and helping others, if somebody is really doing good and a kind hearted person, we should appreciate them, we should appraise them, and we should give them the gifts, some gifts. So god asked to the goddess that what can I do in this matter. So goddess said we must give something to some good persons. So god created luck, because goddess said to the god that the कर्म का जो सिद्धांत होता है, जो लॉ ऑफ वर्क होता है, वो ये कहता है कि आप जो भी काम करोगे आपको उसका फल मिलेगा। लेकिन अगर वो काम आप ईमानदारी से करते हो, अच्छे से करते हो, और उससे आप दूसरों की भी मदद करते हो, यू हेल्प अदर्स, एंड दूसरों की हेल्प, दूसरों का भी भला करते हो, तो गॉड को ऐसे मामलों में आपको प्रेस करना चाहिए, आपको गिफ्ट्स देने चाहिए, आपको प्रेस करना चाहिए। तो इसके लिए उन्होंने रिक्वेस्ट की, एंड गॉडेस requested, so that a god create a थिंग विच इज़ कॉल्ड लक, और जिसे हम कहते हैं हिंदी में भाग्य। उन्होंने भाग्य का निर्माण किया। लेकिन आफ्टर सम टाइम्स द क्वेश्चन अराइज दैट guys, you can see I'm so tired today, I'm sweating, but I have to do this. So उन्होंने जो है भाग्य का निर्माण किया, लेकिन देर इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम दैट गॉड सेड कि हाउ you will gift it to the person. It is a single person, it is a single thing, and how if I want to gift or praise so many people, how we will do this? So when such problems come, the solution given by the goddess, she said that in any form, either a human being, either an animal, either a tree, either a thing, in any form, when god wants to promote you, god wants to praise you or gifts you, he will send luck in the form of anything. It may be a thing, it may be a person, it may be an animal, it may be anything. सो व्हेन दैट थिंग, जिसे कहते हैं हम कि लक आपकी ज़िंदगी में आ गया, व्हेन दैट पर्सन, व्हेन दैट थिंग विल कम इन योर लाइफ, एवरीथिंग विल बी स्लोली गो बेटर एंड बेटर। आपकी ज़िंदगी में एवरीथिंग विल बी अमेजिंग। स्लोली आपकी फैमिली वाइज, इन फाइनेंशियल टर्म, इन सोशल टर्म्स, and in all terms your life will be slowly your life will be get better and better. But god said ki after giving that things, after sometimes that thing will be tested. God will test that person, and that thing which is your luck will become a problematic for you. Suppose it's a cow which is lucky for you, yeah, suppose it's a person which is lucky for you, it will become a problem for you. When god, every 2 year, every 1 year, in every week, according to your karmas, god will take a test, that luck will become a problem for you. And you will if you will uh, if you will pass that examination, God will give you more gifts and more uh, good things in your life. And if you make that luck stay away from your life, that will be your failure in your exam. And the luck will go away from you, and your life will go as usual as per your karma. So this type of thing happen. So this story may be true or false, but I have heard this, so I am sharing this. So basically, what is luck? Luck may be a person, luck may be a thing, any animal, anything, but it is something, because it is, God said it will be other than you, because it is a gift from the God for your good work, for your good intentions, and for your work. But in every interval, God will test you. And let us give an example. There is a person, a thing which is lucky for you. After some times, when God wants to give you more, God will take you a test of yours. God will take you a test, and that thing become a problem for you, which is your luck. And if in spite of those problems you will keep them with close to you, you will not lose them, that the more blessings will come into your life. And if you will not, if you will make those lucky things stay away from you, your luck will be also gone. So this is the basic thing, because God said, I can't make any person lucky for forever. So I will test for a